Every day each of us throws something away, but where does it actually go, and what happens next?
For a long time, the world has worked in a very simple way. It is called a linear economy.
It follows one direction: take, make, and dispose. We take materials from the earth and make products. We use them for a short time and then throw them away. Right now the world uses more than 100 billion tons of materials every year, and this number is still growing. If we continue like this, waste could increase by 60% by 2060.
So, is there another way to do things? Is there a better way than just throwing everything away?
This is where the circular economy comes in. It changes the way we think. Instead of a straight line, imagine a loop that never ends. In a circular system, waste is not normal. It is a design mistake. Products are created to last longer, to be reused, repaired, or recycled.
We can't ignore this anymore. The planet has limits. When we learn about this, it really changes how we see the waste. In nature, nothing is wasted. Everything has purpose.
So, how does nature deal with this waste?
So, in nature, waste doesn't really exist. What one organism produces becomes food for another. And some of the best recyclers on Earth are actually insects.
Are there any organisms that help with this process? Meet the mealworm.
It is a larva of a beetle called Tenebrio molto.
You go through 4 life stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Each stage has a different role. The larva eats and grows, the adult reproduces. Due to their different behaviors, they do not compete for food. Nature is efficient and nothing is wasted.
And has a special ability. Worms can eat organic waste like food scraps. Instead of sending waste to landfills, they transform it. They produce protein and something called frass.
Frass is insect waste, but it is very useful. It works as a natural fertilizer that helps the plant to grow. So, how can we apply this idea in a school?
Across Europe, schools are bringing this idea into classrooms. They create small system called EntFARMs.
Doing an EntFARM is easy. We put stacked trays with air holes and fill them with wheat bran and a dry base, where we give them food, which, like potatoes and carrots, which works both as food and moisture.
At the same time, students separate the melons from the frass using seeds.
This modern school activity shows how systems can work together. This idea is called individual symbiosis. It means different systems work together. One waste becomes another resource.
Can this also involve technology?
EntFARMs can also become high-tech systems. In real industrial environments, insect farms use sensors, automation, and even AI models to monitor conditions and improve production.
And large companies are already doing this. For example, insect farms can turn food and waste into animal feed and natural fertilizer like frass. This reduces the need for soy and fish meal, helping to protect forests and oceans. It can become a career pathway for students who enjoy technology and STEM, but also care about sustainability, about the environment.
But how do we know that we're actually wasting?
Not every school can build an insect farm, but we can all change how we deal with waste. If you want to understand your school's home waste, you can do a simple waste audit, collect data of trash and sort it. You will be surprised. You won't even expect to find so much waste in just one day. Most of it could have been avoided. A large part is usually paper and plastic.
So what can we do to reduce this waste?
To reduce waste, we can follow the 6 R's: refuse, rethink, reuse, repair, and recycle. A simple step is to use separate bins for different materials. This helps recycling work better. But recycling should not be our only option. It uses energy. A better solution is to reduce waste from the beginning.
What can students do in everyday school life? If recycling is the last step, what comes before it?
Instead of buying new clothes, students and teachers can organize clothing swap events. If you bring an item, you get a token, then you can exchange it for something else.
Hey guys, I have this bottle and jacket I don't need. You want it?
Yeah, I want the bottle.
Here you go.
Thank you. Let's trade jackets.
Oh, okay. Here you go.
Here.
This helps reduce waste and make fashion more sustainable.
Another idea is to repair instead of replace. We can run repair cafes at school. Volunteers or professionals can help us fix broken items like electronics or small appliances. Instead of throwing things away, we learn how to extend their life.
Schools can also create gardens using compost and natural fertilizers. We can also bring organic waste from home or the school cafeteria and use special compost bins.
Composting turns food scraps into nutrient-rich soil. Instead of going to landfill, waste becomes something useful for gardens and green spaces.
These small actions can make a big difference. They show that circular thinking is not just a theory, it's something we can practice every day.
So, what message would you give to other students?
The circular economy is not just about waste, it's how we design our future.
Every action counts, every choice matters.
The future is not something far away, it starts with what we do today.
Let's
Let's
close
close
the
the
loop
loop
together.